Hey everyone, today, I want to talk about something incredibly important, how you can support California during wildfires. Wildfires can be devastating, but there are some powerful ways you can make a difference. First, consider donating to reputable organizations. Groups like the Red Cross and California Community Foundation are on the front lines, providing vital resources like food, shelter, and medical aid to those affected. Even a small donation can have a huge impact. Another way to help is by supporting local fire departments. Many fire stations accept financial contributions, and some even have wish lists for equipment and supplies they need. You can also volunteer your time if you're in a safe area and trained for such situations. Now let's talk about how you can assist indirectly. Spread awareness on social media. Share information about evacuation routes, emergency contacts, and ways others can contribute. The more people know, the better prepared they'll be. If you're an animal lover, don't forget about our furry friends. Organizations like the Humane Society and local animal shelters often need donations and volunteers during wildfire season. Your help can ensure that pets and wildlife get the care they need. You can also support local businesses. Wildfires can take a toll on the economy, so buying from local shops and restaurants can help communities bounce back faster. And finally, remember to take care of your mental health. Wildfires are stressful for everyone, even if you're not directly affected. Reach out to friends and family, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if you need it. There you have it. By donating, volunteering, spreading awareness, supporting local businesses, and taking care of your mental health, you can make a real difference for the people of California during wildfire season. Thanks for watching, and let's do our part to help out. Catch you in the next one.